Welcome back guys to another tutorial of cracking aptitude. This is the second tutorial on time and work, and if you haven't watched my first tutorial, then there is a link to that in the description below. You can go and watch that if you don't know the basics about time and work, and then come back to this one. There is also a link to my earlier tutorials on permutations and combinations. You can go and check out those tutorials also. So let's get started with our today's topic by taking a question. And the question is, if M can do a piece of work in 10 days, N in 20 days, with the help of O, they finish the work in 5 days, then how long will it take for O alone to complete the entire work? Now, the question here is very simple. It says M can do a piece of work in 10 days, which N can complete in 20 days. With the help of O, that is M, N and O, if they work together, they can finish the entire work in 5 days. So how long will O alone take to complete the entire work? So let's see the solution. It is very simple. M can do the work in 10 days, which is given in the question. So M's 1 day work would become 1 by 10. N can do the work in 20 days, which is given in the question again. So N's 1 day work would become 1 by 20. So M plus N plus O, that is M, N and O, if they work together, they can complete the work in 5 days, which is again given in the question. So M, N and O, 1 day work of M plus N plus O together would be 1 by 5. Now when you add the values of M's 1 day work and N's 1 day work in this equation, you get 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus O is equal to 1 by 5. Now when you take this equation that side, it would become O's 1 day work would be 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. So that would be 1 by 5 minus 3 by 20, and which when you solve this by making the denominator equal, you get 4 by 20 minus 3 by 20, which would give you answer as 1 by 20. So O in 1 day can complete 1 by 20 of work. So the entire work can be completed by O in 20 days. Just reverse it. O can complete the entire work in 20 days. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.